Welcome back to CD Training Academy Tutorials. In this video, we will learn how to navigate your new course's general and certificate settings. Let's get started. After you create a new course, there are a couple steps that you must take in order to complete the process. We will start with where we left off. After the course is activated, you will then click on the Settings tab at the bottom of the page. This will take you to a page labeled General Settings. On this page, you are able to toggle on self-enrollment if you are wanting your employees to be able to enroll themselves in this course. Next, there is the Deadline tab. If you toggle this on, it will give you two options, a specific date or a period of time. For this example, I will select a period of time. You are able to set it for any number of days or months from the assignment date. I will choose to set this for 2 months, and then I will set my reminder notice for 5 days before the deadline is due. The reminder notice will be sent to the employee's email. The last step is to make sure that this box is checked or the notice will not be issued. If you want your course to be available after the deadline, then you would toggle on the button here. Lastly, is the option for auto reassignment. If you toggle on the button to the right of it, there will be two options. The first is Fixed Date. You are able to set it for the exact date each year and then input the number of times you wish for it to reassign. The next option is Recurring Time Period. This will automatically reassign from the date that the employee is issued the course. So if the employee was issued the course today, then every 2 years they would be reassigned on November 14th. You can also input the number of times to reassign. I will set this course to reassign after 2 years and set number of times to 5. After you are finished, click Save General Settings. Next, we will go to the certificate settings. You will click on the blue drop-down arrow to the left of your screen and click on Certificate. When you create a new course, it will automatically upload a blank certificate like this. If you are able to, you can copy a certificate from a previous course. At the bottom of the screen, you are able to select a course to copy. For this example, I will choose the course Managing People, and then click Copy, then OK. You will then be able to change the release settings. The options are manual, which means there are no requirements for the certificate to be issued. The next is After Course Completion, which means that the course needs to be completed in order for the certificate to be released. And last is the After Course and Quiz Completion, which means the course and quiz need to be completed for the certificate to be released to the employee. After you select one, you will click Save Certificate Template. Now, if you are needing to upload a completely new certificate, then you will simply click on the A4 Landscape tab, and these are the dimensions that your certificate needs to be set at, 842 by 595. Once your certificate is made, you can simply upload it by clicking Background to upload your file. If you need assistance creating a certificate, please reach out to us here at CDTA and we can help. Now you know how to navigate your course's general and certificate settings. See you next time! Do you have more questions about your portal? Let us know and we will create a new CDTA tutorial for you. Subscribe to CD Training Academy's YouTube channel to keep up with newly added tutorials.